How to play with friends in Craftsman. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on the account that you would like to play with your friends. Now the next thing you want to do is to tap on play, and you want to tap on friends, and then you'll be tapping on add friend. Now go ahead and type in the gamer tag of your friend. Now guys, the next thing to do is to tap on add friend. Now this is just to add the gamer to your friend list. Now go ahead and tap on worlds, click on create new world, and then you want to make sure this is on multiplayer. You want to make sure of that. Make sure the multiplayer game is turned on, and make sure it's on friends of friends. And then guys, you want to also make sure that the visible to LAN players is on. Then go ahead and tap on create, and now your friend can see your world in Craftsman. And guys, you can now play with friends in Craftsman. If you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.